Well, I'll continue this again. I'm still in the proposed lumber liquidators in Hoover, Alabama. Batteries died, therefore this is video number 2. Coming back around by that previous sales desk by the dressing rooms, we have 2 bathrooms back in there. Lights don't work, so I won't bother going in. This right here is heading up on the mezzanine. Come on up. Okay, now on the going straight through, when you come up, there's like a big open area. See all the steel structure, 6-inch studs for the demising wall. None of this is fire rated, so if we separated it, it'd have to be. A couple of big rooms, one other big room, this large area. Coming back through, you can see on this pit, looks like this was a afterthought. You can see the ceiling structure, everything below. Don't know what their game plan is for all of this. This could be walled up if they wanted to and create that fire barrier along this area. Walking back, they have a couple of offices. Let's see, one here. Nothing special. Walking back out. Can't find a light switch in here. There's just another office. And that doorway leads to that other... Oop, I apologize. This is just a little closet area. Once again, with no light, leads back into that main area, open area. Then the other stairway down by the entry door where I first came in. Okay, so this is going to present some challenges with separating tenants and use, but we will talk with the owner and find out what we can do. Once again, that's it from Hoover, Alabama.